Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This 7-minute session is designed to calm morning anxiety and help your system feel safe again. Take a breath. You're here. You're safe. Let's begin. Start by softening your shoulders. Let your jaw release. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Morning anxiety is simply the mind waking faster than the body. So we slow the body and the mind follows. Take a slow breath in and exhale even slower. Let everything soften. Breathe in for 4, hold for 1, exhale for 6. Long exhale signals safety. Again, in, hold, release. Feel your heartbeat settle. Feel your chest loosen. You are returning home to yourself. Now bring your attention to the sensation of anxiety, maybe a flutter in the chest, a heaviness in the stomach, a buzzing under the skin. Don't fight it, just notice it. With your next exhale, imagine warmth melting the tension, like sunlight dissolving frost. With every breath out, whisper internally, I release this. Again, I release this. Now, place a hand on your chest. Feel the warmth, feel the life. Visualize a calm, steady light expanding from your heart, filling your chest, your mind, your whole body. Repeat silently, I am safe, I am steady, I can handle today. Let those words land softly inside you. Feel the calm settling in your body. Feel the breath moving freely. Your nervous system is shifting into peace, into clarity, into presence. This moment is yours. You are ready for the day, aligned, steady, and grounded. Take one last deep breath in and a slow breath out. Carry this calm into your morning. Thank you for being here. This is Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.